everyone! Welcome back to the Project Awesome. So I'm back with a new makeup tutorial at alam ko na nabasa nyo na sa title ng video na to kung sino yung gagayahin ko at syempre walang iba kundi ang bonggang-bonggang si Yaya Dub. So grabe, sikat na sikat yung Aldab hindi lang dito sa buong Pilipinas kundi sa buong mundo. Sobrang nakaka-inspire talaga sila. I personally admire them, lalong-lalo na si Yaya Dub at alam kong marami din sa inyo humahanga sa kanya. So I decided to recreate her signature makeup look. So, yung simple makeup na paired with luscious red lips. So, yan yung gagayahin natin ngayon. And let's start! So, naglagay na ako ng base makeup using the Pink Sugar It's Awesome BB Cream at yung Pink Sugar Our Little Secret Concealer. And then, sinet ko lang yan using a translucent powder. Okay, so sa kilay naman tayo. So, yung kilay ni Yaya Dub, lagi siyang defined pero natural looking pa din siya palagi. So, dahil dyan, gagamit tayo ng eyebrow powder kasi mas mukhang natural ang eyebrow powder kaysa sa eyebrow pencils. At ang gamit ko ngayon ay yung Avon Perfect Eyebrow Kit and this in the shade Deep Brown. At gumagamit lang ako ngayon ng angled eyebrow brush para i-apply yung eyebrow powder. Ayan. After natin gayahin yung kilay ni Yaya Dub, doon naman tayo sa eyes. So, yung eye makeup ni Yaya Dub, usually very simple lang siya. Neutral eyeshadows, tapos lagi lang siyang may eyeliner. So, yan yung gagayahin natin ngayon. So, first, maglalagay muna tayo ng eyeshadow base. At ang gamit ko ay yung Essence I Love Stage Eyeshadow Base. Ayan. And then next, we're going to take this Pink Sugar Eye Candy Eyeshadow Palette. So, sa makeup na to, gagamit lang tayo ng dalawang eyeshadow. First, gagamitin natin tong matte taupe shade na to para i-contour yung crease area ng eyes natin. Ayan. At gumagamit lang ako ng blending brush para i-apply yung eyeshadow. And be sure to blend out the harsh edges. So, after natin i-contour yung crease area ng eyes natin, gagamitin naman natin tong satin light taupe shade na to dun sa may empty area ng lids natin, like so. So, ang gamit ko lang ay tong flat shader brush na to para i-apply yung eyeshadow. So, just pat the eyeshadow. And then, after that, kunin nyo ulit yung blending brush na ginamit nyo sa contour nyo. And then, i-blend nyo lang yung harsh edges para din mag-merge yung dalawang eyeshadows na yan. So, yan na. Yan lang yung gagamitin natin sa lids natin para sa eye makeup na to. Pero, of course, hindi pa tapos yan. Next, we're going to take this Pink Sugar Honey I'm Good Eyeliner Duo. So, yung kabilang end ng eyeliner duo na to ay felt pen. So, yan yung gagamitin natin to line our upper lash lines na parang kay Yaya Dub. So, ayan. Hindi naman masyadong makapal yung eyeliner niya. So, pwede nyong i-wing out yung eyeliner nyo kasi minsan naka-winged out yung eyeliner ni Yaya Dub. Pero usually, ganyan lang siya para magmukhang mas buhay lang yung eyes natin. So, ayan. And then, after lining the upper lash lines, kukunin ko ulit tong Avon Perfect Eyebrow Kit ko. And then, gagamitin ko to para linyahan yung lower lash lines ko. Like so. So, nilalagay ko yan para magmukhang mas bukas yung mata ko kasi medyo bilugan yung eyes ni Yaya Dub. So, medyo ginagaya ko lang. Ayan. And then, after that, we're going to highlight the inner corners naman. So, gagamitin naman natin tong light beige eyeshadow na to from the Pink Sugar Eye Palette as well. And then, that's it. Sabi ko sa inyo, very simple lang yung eye makeup ni Yaya Dub. So, now we're going to curl our eyelashes and apply our favorite mascara. So, piliin nyo yung talagang lengthening mascara na meron kayo kasi yung pilik mata ni Yaya Dub talagang naturally siyang mahaba. So, para ma-achieve natin yon, we can use false eyelashes or kung gusto nyo naman, just use a good lengthening mascara. At ang gamit ko ay yung Maybelline The Magnum Volume Express Waterproof Mascara. Ayan, so after applying the mascara, you can leave it like that. Pero kukunin ko ulit yung Pink Sugar Eyeliner Duo ko. At this time, gagamitin ko naman yung retractable pen. So this time, lilinyahan ko naman yung waterline ko. Pero dun lang sa my inner thirds. Ayan, like so. So ayan, tapos na yung eye makeup natin. Sabi ko sa inyo, very simple lang siya. So next, after natin sa eye makeup natin, magko-contour naman tayo. At ang gamit ko ngayon ay yung City Color Contour Effects. Ayan. And then after contouring the face, we're going to apply bronzer. Matte bronzer lang gamit ko ngayon para magkaroon lang ng warmth yung face natin. And I'm still using the City Color Contour Effects like so. Applying that on my temple area. Papunta din doon sa may kung saan ako nag-contour sa ibabaw ng cheekbones ko. So after bronzing and contouring the face, maglalagay naman tayo ng blush. So yung blush ni Yaya Dove, usually parang medyo peachy siya. So ang gagamitin ko ngayon ay yung Pink Sugar Sweet Cheeks in the shade Miss Independent. Okay, so for the final part at talagang ito na yung magde-define ng pagkagaya natin sa makeup ni Yaya Dove at ito na yung kanyang signature red lips. So sabi nila, ang lagi niyang gamit ay yung MAC Ruby Woo. Pero dahil wala ako niyan, naghanap ako sa makeup stash ko na somehow similar dun sa shade ng Ruby Woo or nung laging ginagamit ni Yaya Dove. So, ayan, medyo kinakapalan ko lang yung lips ko using the Stylish Style Flat Lip Liner para ma-achieve natin yung luscious full lips ni Yaya Dove. And then after that, we're going to apply this Pink Sugar Creamy Matte Lipstick in the shade Bombshell. So, ayan! Tapos na natin gayahin yung signature makeup look ni Yaya Dove and I hope that you enjoyed watching this video. And like always, if you have questions regarding these products that I shared with you, if you have any other questions, just comment below your questions or you can even send me a message on my Facebook page, Makeup by Bing Casio, or you can even email me. All the information will be in the information box below. So, ayan, I hope that you learned something from this video and I hope to see you in the next video, you guys. Stay awesome and accomplish your mission. Bye!